today we are doing some cool things. I got some new slimes over here, if you guys want to see them. Because I got them for my birthday. It was like fun. My birthday was so much fun. It was June 27th, and now we're just gonna start playing with them. I just wanted to make a video. Just so you know, you guys, it's really raining out today. I just hope you guys can, do it. Okay, ready, guys? So first we're gonna start off with this pink slime. I made it, and I actually made like a lot of those. I made like I made a yellow one, and I made a green one. But first we're starting out with pink. This one is actually really bright pink. It's actually really nice, and it's really squishy and it's actually really nice. I like this one. It's actually like really textury and really good. Okay, this one is actually really nice, so we're gonna put that one away and see what the other ones feel like. Okay, gotta put that in. Oh, and guys, I also got a bowl. So then, if just in case, if there's bad stuff, I can put it in the bowl and start playing with it. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna do the yellow. I'm gonna save this green for last, cause I like green. It's a good color. Wait, I'm gonna put this pink. I'm gonna put this pink over on the couch, cause that one wasn't really bad. Okay. The lid right. Gotta put the lid over here, guys. Okay, so guys, this is actually really good slime, and if you think of it, it's really nice. And guess what, guys? Watch this. If I put it over like that, watch. It's farting. Oh, and if you guys want to see the candy challenge today, because we're doing the candy challenge, so yeah, if you guys want to see, open our candy gifts, then yeah, you guys can hang out with us. Alright, gotta slam that down. Okay, we're gonna put down the couch because that one wasn't that bad. Now it's time for this one. This one looks really sticky. Oh my gosh, this one's actually sticking to my finger. Okay, it wasn't supposed to. I'm gonna take the things out. Oh, this one actually looks really nice. It's just my hands are getting all sticky and greasy from that green slime. I'm a zombie. Okay, we're gonna just dump that inside the bowl. We need to dump that inside the bowl. The bowl needs some love too. I mean, the bath is going to get dirty at the end, but that's okay. Cause, the bowl needs to be played with. Ew. Disgusting. Okay. Oh. Ew. This was disgusting. Oh my gosh. Look how stretchy and sticky and blobbery and... Okay, if I take this whole thing... Oh, this just... Okay. Oops. This is gonna get all over the table. That's why I said keep it on the bowl, so that it doesn't get all over the table. Okay, let's just clean that up. Get it inside the tank again. Oops. Get it. No. Get inside the tank. The table's gonna be messy. My hands, they're so blobbery and sticky and why is this slime has to be so sticky? I don't think my friend did a really good job on it. Sorry about if you did bad on this. You're just really bad at this, Emma. You don't know how to make slime, but It's okay, I'll teach you. Okay, now I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, guys, sorry if that was a long time, but you know, I'm just gonna move forward, move forward, move forward. Okay, Emma, I'm sorry to say this, but you're terrible. I'm making a slime. I was just testing it out. But, yep, you're horrible. Now we won't be able to use this anymore. Okay, bye-bye, Vol. But we'll still try and use you if it's like sticky slime. Ew, there's like slime inside my butter slime. Ooh, this butter slime actually feels so good. It smells like blue raspberry, you guys. Oh. Butter slime, butter slime, butter slime. Dad? When can I go over to my friend's house, Emma and Maddie's? I want to go tomorrow when it's like a sunny day. And I want to go inside their house now, and they can go inside mine. Because the corona is over now, Dad. Dad, the corona is over. It's just that things are not opening up because they're just worried about the corona stuff. But the corona is already over, Dad. Can we go inside their house? Okay. It smells so good, you guys. Like. I want you to act that 2 minutes later.
Benji,
And then I want you to act.
Jay, put the chairs back.
It's actually
Guys,
cleaning
step in
out
the car.
the
I'll
space.
get my car. You guys can follow me down. Your cars, your cars.
Bye, Daddy.
See you, Todd.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. There you are.
I love this slime. It smells like blue raspberry. Okay, let's put this away now. Goodbye. One last one. Ah, you smell so good. Okay, now let's just close this up. I love this butter slime. Now it's time for my jiggly slime. Watch this. It's just gonna come. Wait. Just splattered all over the place. Ew. Oh, sure, B.
So that chair needs to be put back in the dining room. And these chairs need to come in here.
Okay, sure. I'll do it after my video. It doesn't. It smells like throw up. I don't know why it smells so bad.
Just thought about that.
Get to dum dum dum. Just put this away. Mommy, when can I go in my friend's house and when can they go in ours?
Who's friend?
Maddie and Emma.
Oh.
I really want to go in their house.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting
Mom,
you.
I really want to go in their house and like,
Oh, you can, but you have to clean up. I have one. Oh.
I'm pretty sure either yesterday or the day before was their mom's birthday. It was on their door yesterday.
Okay guys, so that's all done for our video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click your notifications, and don't miss any of my videos. Okay, bye guys.